data comes from numerous sources, but the data can be exported from any system, and regardless of the data source, the type, format, we warehouse it into one database. We tie all the information and data points together by using the assets VIN, and we report on it with business intelligence software. So regardless if you're using a maintenance and repair system such as TMW, ShopFax, a homegrown database, whether you're using onboard computers such as PeopleNet, Omnitrax, or you have an SAP system or other type of standalone accounting software, it doesn't matter. We take that information, regardless of the format, normalize it, put it into one database warehouse so that it can be collected and viewed together. Going through this data collection process once or twice in reviewing the analytics will give you quick insight into areas of opportunity as it relates to your data entry and system capabilities. Opportunities for improvement will be uncovered. The most common change as it relates to data is how to handle outliers. Typically, we process the data in the original format in order to call out outlying data points for you to decide how to adjust. Then we can process that information again where we handle outlier data points. For example, data points might be several standard deviations above or below the mean. We can normalize that and then report on it.